What is going on, guys? Welcome to another training. So let me show you in this video the things that I'm doing to make commissions with affiliate marketing. So check this out. These are my latest results. I promote high ticket products. This is my affiliate dashboard. And I have sent to this company 590 clicks, 142 referrals. I have 22 customers, and right now I have $875. Yeah, $875 in unpaid earnings. And if I click on payouts, as you can see in the screen, these are my latest payments: $454, $128, $135, and so on and so forth. I'm making commissions every single month by promoting this product. This company pays 40% commission, and if I scroll down, are my affiliate links. And this is the link that I promote, the 72-hour challenge opt-in page. And if someone write his information inside of this opt-in page, I'm going to send another referral to this company. And I'm going to have here 143 referrals. So let me show you the step-by-step method that I'm using to make these commissions, and I'm going to go exactly to my sales funnel. So I have been using this software, the name is ClickFunnels, and I'm going to click here on funnels because a funnel is a series of steps to guide your visitors through the entire sales process. And basically I'm driving traffic to my own funnel, and then I redirect those people to my affiliate offer. So one of the things that I learned from this high ticket product, the name is Freedom Accelerator, this is a high quality product. Some of the things that I learned from Jonathan Montoya is that we need to first of all, we need to choose a niche. So, and one of the best niches that we can choose as an affiliate marketer are the make money niche, health and fitness, and relationship. And once we have chosen the niche, we need to go to an affiliate marketplace and find products to promote. So I choose the make money online niche, specifically with affiliate marketing, and more specifically with high ticket affiliate marketing, because I'm promoting this product, Freedom Accelerator. And then it's important to go to the marketplace to find supporting offers, because once we have chosen the product, so let's say I have here, this is my main offer, we need to find supporting offers. For example, supporting offer number 2, supporting offer number 3, supporting offer number 4, supporting offer number 5. And we can add all of these products, and we can promote multiple products to help people to go from a point A, which is a point of massive pain, to a point B, which is when they hit their goal. So that is affiliate marketing. We are helping people, and we are helping people by sharing the products that we're promoting as an affiliate marketer. That is why it's important to promote high quality products that are going to help people. Now, check this out. Once we have chosen the supporting the main core offer and the supporting offers, we need to build a system, and this is the system that I'm using. So this funnel has 3 steps. Step number 1, step number 2, and step number 3. The first page is the capture page. And let me show you this capture page, because this is important to build an affiliate business for the long term. So some people explain that we can send traffic to our affiliate links without building a funnel. And that is true. You can send direct traffic to that link, but you need to know that so you can make commissions that way, but the difficulty came when sometimes these companies can shut down their affiliate programs or shut down their products, and if that happens, your link is not going to work anymore. That is why it's important to collect before sending people to the offer, collecting that email. And that is the objective of this page. So when people see this page, they will read the title, they will read this information, they will see a picture of the ebook. This is my photo because I'm building my own personal brand in the make money online space. And then they will, and when they click this button, free ebook download, I can collect the name, the email, and the phone number. And check this out, I'm giving away this ebook. You need to give away something for free, and that could be a free PDF, a free course, a free training, a free program. You need to give something away. Once you have the lead magnet, you can build this capture page. So with ClickFunnels, it's simple to build this, although you need to have good copywriting skills. For example, it has to be a good title that like hook people. That is really critical for the capture page to work, because if you don't have like a good title, you are going to have a lower percentage of opt-in rate. So that is the percentage of people who opting in their information. We need to, as an affiliate marketer, we need to increase this opt-in rate as high as we can. And we can do that by improving the copywriting skills inside of this page. Now, that being said, all the people who write their information, they will get access to the second step, in which is the second page, and I tell them, hey, check your email because I'm going to send the ebook. And then they will have access to the bridge page, which is the third step. So this page is important because inside of this page, I have recorded a simple video in which I'm explaining the steps that people need to take so they can have access to the 72-hour challenge, which is the product that I'm promoting. And if they click this button, they will go exactly to this affiliate link. And if they buy, I can make a commission in the front end. But not all the people are going to buy at the first interaction. That is why it's important to build an ordering sequence. So what is that? So I'm using get response for the ordering sequence. Check this out. So if I click on tools and then on automation, I'm going to have access to my all. So these are email sequence, and these are the people that are going through all these sequences, because I have many. And I'm going to click for example on this one, Freedom Accelerator. So basically, when someone write their information inside of my opt-in page, my email list, those people are going to start receiving emails automatically. They will receive a welcome message. They will receive a message with my own story. Then get response is going to wait for 1 day to send the message number 2. Then it's going to wait for another day to send the message number 3. And these are free trainings that I have recorded. Then they will receive emails, and inside of these emails they will find links for my YouTube channel, for my YouTube videos. This is for my another YouTube video as well, and this is to promote TubeBuddy, which is a supporting offer that I promote. And as you can see, I have all these emails to promote multiple products, and I can add here more steps. I can add here a new message and then add a wait command. Like for example, wait 1 day to send the next email, then wait for another day to send the next email, and so on and so forth. I'm promoting many products by collecting leads. That's basically how is that I'm making commissions, guys. That is why it's important to collect your own leads, because those people are going to know, like, and trust you. It's important to promote high quality products. And check this out, I can go to email marketing and write an email, and I can send, for example, an email to my whole email list to promote any product that I want. That is how basically we can make money, we can make commissions with affiliate marketing, by promoting products that we believe that these products are going to help my email list. So check this out, I can click here, create a newsletter, and I can write a new email, and I can check the stats. For example, how many emails has delivered: 813, 820, 823. What is the open rate of the emails? So if I need to improve as an affiliate marketer, we need to improve this percentage, and we can improve this percentage, the opt-in rate, by writing better titles. And then the click rate. So how many people are clicking my links inside of the emails. So basically that is how I'm making commissions, guys. I have a main core offer. I have as well supporting offers, and I have the system to promote multiple affiliate products and offers. And I have the lead magnet. I'm collecting leads, and then Get Response is sending all these emails, and inside of the emails people are going to find my affiliate links for the main core offer, the supporting offers, links for my YouTube channel, and also they will find emails without any links, just valuable emails to give valuable information to my email list. That is how I'm making commissions with affiliate marketing. So for example, if you want to start with this business model, so you can check it out, this challenge, the 72-hour challenge. The price is only $9, and you will learn all the things that I'm talking about in this video. You will learn from Jonathan Montoya, who is the creator of this product, why it's so important to collect leads, to collect emails. And day number 2, how to build this entire ecosystem. Basically, you can clone Jonathan Montoya's 7 figures don't for you system. You can copy and paste it. Instead of building, for example, on ClickFunnels, Get Response, or if you don't like these softwares, you can utilize System Data Job. But if you don't have too much time to build this entire system, you can clone that system by utilizing this software, Funnel Freedom. I have many videos talking about this software as well. You can check it out on my YouTube channel. But basically, in day number 2, Jonathan Montoya is going to teach you how you can set up the Done For You system, the funnel that is inside of the sites page, how you can promote multiple affiliate products and offers by just copying and pasting your affiliate links inside of this page, Funnel Freedom. And then on day number 3, the 3 secret traffic methods for fast results. So once you have built that system, how you can start sending traffic to it. And basically that's it. So people get discouraged when they don't have like fast results, and I have seen that. So I have been doing affiliate marketing since 2017, and it takes time, guys. It takes time to start getting results. It takes hard work to create content every single day. It takes time, but if you're willing to put in the work, if you have the discipline, and if you have the effort to do this business model, you can click my link is in the description, so you can get access to a free training, or you can get access to a 14-day free trial of this software, and you can get access as well to the 72-hour challenge opt-in page and my free training, in which I'm going to explain you how you can start with this business model and succeed if you want. So that's it for this video, guys. Sorry for that. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I hope that you like this video. Give me a thumbs up, click the notification bell, give me a thumbs up,